The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region Document of Identity for visa purposes is a biometric travel document issued by the Hong Kong Immigration Department to residents of Hong Kong who are unable to obtain national passports. It is usually valid for 7 years. The majority are issued to citizens of the People's Republic of China who have migrated to Hong Kong on a one-way permit, have lost their mainland hukou, thus are unable to obtain a PRC passport, but have not resided in Hong Kong for the 7 years required to be eligible for a HKSAR passport. In 2009-2010, 54,554 documents of identity for visa purposes were issued. Eligibility. The document of identity can be issued to the following categories of individuals who are connected with Hong Kong and who are unable to obtain a national passport, a travel document from any other country, those on a limit of stay in Hong Kong, those on unconditional stay who do not have the right of abode in Hong Kong, those who have the right of abode in Hong Kong and hold a permanent identity card, but are not of Chinese nationality or ineligible for Chinese nationality. Use China as an international travel document. While it may be used for entry into and exit from Hong Kong, the HKSAR document of identity is, in most circumstances, not accepted as a travel document used for travel to other parts of China for Chinese nationals. Mainland China. Holders with Chinese nationality are required to have a home return permit to enter a transit through mainland China. The document of identity itself is not accepted by Chinese government for entry or transit. HKSAR. If a person without Chinese nationality holds the HKSAR document of identity by virtue of his/her right of abode in Hong Kong, as well as his/her inability to have a national passport issued, then the person will be able to use his permanent identity card to enter Macau visa-free for a maximum of 1 year. Otherwise, if a person possesses a document of identity but not the right of abode in Hong Kong and does not have a Hong Kong identity card, he/she will need to apply for an entry permit on arrival at the checkpoint to enter Macau. Taiwan. Holders of a Hong Kong document of identity are required to apply for an entry and exit permit in advance. Overseas. Few foreign countries, territories which offer visa-free access to Hong KongSAR passport holders confer the same privilege to holders of the Hong KongSAR document of identity. In theory, recognized refugees and stateless individuals who possess a Hong KongSAR document of identity can enter Germany and Hungary visa-free for a maximum of 90 days within a 180-day period. In the case of Germany, for recognized refugees to enter visa-free, their travel document must be endorsed and issued under the terms of the agreement of the 15th of October 1946 regarding the issue of travel documents to refugees of the Convention relating to the status of refugees of the 28th of July 1951, whilst stateless individuals need to have their travel document issued under the terms of the Convention relating to the status of stateless persons of the 28th of September 1954. However, though the People's Republic of China is a signatory to the 1951 Convention relating to the status of refugees, since the handover in 1997, Hong Kong has not incorporated the convention into its legislation, and so Hong Kong's immigration system does not recognize refugees. Similarly, both the People's Republic of China and Hong Kong are not signatories to the 1954 Stateless Persons Convention. Consequently, in practice, the visa exemption to Germany does not apply to any holder of the HKSAR document of identity. However, Hong Kong stateless individuals do nonetheless qualify for a visa exemption to Hungary since the Hungarian government does not require their HKSAR document of identity to be issued under the terms of the 1954 Stateless Persons Convention. If the holder of a document of identity is a school pupil who is an Annex I national. She can enter Malta, Poland, Slovakia and Sweden visa-free by virtue of Article 4 as long as they are traveling as part of a school trip led by a school teacher for a maximum of 90 days within a 180-day period. For entry into Sweden, the school pupil must be less than 18 years old. This visa exemption applies equally to any Annex I national who is resident in Hong Kong who satisfies the above conditions. Note, however, that this visa exemption for school pupils does not apply to the holder of a document of identity if she is stateless, since she would not fulfill the criteria of being the national of an Annex I country. Since some holders of the Hong Kong HKSAR document of identity are not Chinese citizens, they are not entitled to the consular protection offered by the People's Republic of China government while overseas. However, Chinese foreign missions are able to assist should a document of identity become lost or stolen whilst abroad.